guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change your region in Xbox PC. So let's get started. So if you want to change your region in Xbox PC, so to do that what you have to do is first open up your browser. So you can select your browser, or if you have installed Xbox in your device, you can also follow the same steps through that. So after opening up your browser, just search for xbox.com. After searching for xbox.com, you will come up to this page, and from here what you have to do is just simply sign into your account. So after signing into your account, what you have to do is just tap on the profile which is on the top. After tapping on your profile which is on the top right, you just have to tap on My Microsoft account. After tapping on My Microsoft account, now you will find option which is your information in the left side of your screen. Just tap on your information and you just have to tap on edit profile information over here. So you will find it over here. Just simply tap on edit profile information and then enter your account's password. And after entering your password, you will be allowed to change your region. So not only your region, you can also change your date of birth and your unique ID. So we are just trying to change our region. So just simply tap on it and then select a region that you would like to change. So for example, I'll just select Poland and then tap on save. After tapping on save, your region will be successfully changed. So that's it guys, this is how to change region in Xbox PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.